What's up, everybody? Today, I will be doing a quick walkthrough on how to reset the oil life or oil change light in a Chevy Traverse. This will hold true for 2009 to 2024, and I believe any of those model years should line up pretty accurately with what we're going to be showing you today. So let's go for it. The old Chevy Traverse has 3 methods for resetting the oil life, but this is the quickest way. Step 1. Turn the key on without start the engine. Step 2. Fully depress and release the gas pedal 3 times within 5 seconds and you're done. Once you've done that, you may turn off the car and start the engine to verify the indicator has been reset. If it is not reset, you can repeat it or try the next one. As for the second option, you may use the cluster display to reset the oil life if your Traverse has a DIC button. So let's try to do it. Step 1. Stick the key in and turn it to the on position. Step 2. Press the vehicle info button on the center screen repeatedly until you see the remaining oil life on the dash screen. Step 3. Hold down the check button and it'll go back to 100% and you're done. If your vehicle is not equipped with DIC button, you can reset the oil life in the following ways. Step 1. Insert the key and put the ignition on. Step 2. Hit the knob on the dash to get to oil life remaining. Step 3. Hold in the knob until it resets to 100% and you're good to go. The particular way to reset the oil life on the second generation Chevy Traverse differs by trim level, and there are 3 options to do it. So let me guide you through the procedure. Step 1. Start up the vehicle. Step 2. Use the right or left arrow button to get to the vehicle menu tab. Step 3. Scroll down until you get the oil life screen. Step 4. Press down the check button until the oil life resets to 100% and you're done. If you have a mid-level display in your Chevy Traverse, you can reset the oil life as follows. Step 1. Get in the car and start it up. Step 2. Use the right or left arrow button to get to the info menu tab. Step 3. Scroll down until you get the oil life screen. Step 4. Press the check mark to get the reset option. Step 5. Highlight yes and press the check button to confirm the oil life reset, and you're good to go. If your Chevy Traverse has an up-level display, you may reset the oil life by following these steps. Step 1. Start up your car. Step 2. Hit the left arrow button to get the cluster menu. Step 3. Go to the info menu and hit the check button to select. Step 4. Scroll down until you get to the oil life screen. Step 5. Hold down the check button until it resets to 100% and you're done. On the latest generation Chevy Traverse, you can reset the oil life using the center touchscreen. So the way you do this is: Step 1. Fire up the car. Step 2. Find and tap the vehicle status menu. Step 3. Tap on maintenance. Step 4. Tap on oil life. Step 5. Select reset. Step 6. Tap on reset again to confirm, and the percentage will change to 100%. So that's how you do it. I hope this helped you out and was informational for you. If you have any comments on how I could do things differently or anything you do to help improve and meet it on your vehicle, please throw them in the comments section. So thanks for your time and see you at the next one.